Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 5 best morning drinks for diabetics. If you have diabetes, you know how important it is to watch what you drink, not just what you eat. Some drinks can spike your blood sugar levels, while others can help you manage your symptoms and maintain a healthy weight. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first drink on the list is water. Water is the best drink for everyone, especially for people with diabetes. It has 0 calories, 0 carbs, and 0 sugar, and it helps you stay hydrated and flush out excess glucose from your body. You can drink plain water, or you can add some flavor by squeezing some lemon or lime juice, or adding some fresh fruit or herbs. Water is also great for your skin, your digestion, and your overall health. The second drink is seltzer water. Seltzer water is a fizzy, sugar-free alternative to soda or other carbonated drinks. It has the same benefits as water, but with a bubbly twist. You can choose from different flavors, or you can make your own by adding some fruit or herbs. Seltzer water is refreshing, satisfying, and fun to drink. The third drink is tea. Tea is a great drink for diabetics because it has antioxidants that can protect your cells from damage and inflammation. Tea can also lower your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. There are many types of tea to choose from, such as green, black, white, or oolong tea. You can drink them hot or cold, and you can add some 0-calorie sweetener if you like. Just avoid adding sugar or honey, and limit your intake of milk or cream. The fourth drink is herbal tea. Herbal tea is another good option for diabetics because it has no caffeine and no carbs. Herbal tea can also have various health benefits, depending on the ingredients. For example, chamomile tea can help you relax and sleep better. Ginger tea can soothe your stomach and boost your immunity, and peppermint tea can improve your digestion and freshen your breath. You can experiment with different flavors and combinations and enjoy a cup of herbal tea any time of the day. The fifth and final drink is unsweetened coffee. Coffee is a popular drink for many people, and it can also be good for diabetics, as long as you don't add sugar or cream. Coffee can stimulate your metabolism, increase your energy, and lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. However, coffee can also raise your blood pressure and make you jittery, so you should limit your intake to 1 or 2 cups a day and avoid drinking it late at night. So these are the 5 best morning drinks for diabetics. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite morning drink is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.